Take out the device, connect with power supply, glass tubes, and skin scrubber. Dab the cotton pad in makeup remover oil and remove makeup with it. Wash face clean with cleanser. Apply toner evenly with cotton pad. Apply Blackhead Expert Liquid on T-zone or other congested areas, especially on enlarged pores and blackheads. For sensitive skin, you can just wet face with hot water. Wait for 5 to 8 minutes. Select the diamond tip you want to work with. There's altogether 9 diamond tips for you to choose from. Install a pointed tip, a round tip, and a big tip on 3 wands. But firstly, put in the black rubber ring on the wand and place the cotton filter inside the tip. Then twist the tip onto the wand. But always make sure to install cotton filter and rubber ring before each treatment. Remove cotton pads from the face. Start with the round tip. Twist the knob on the device to adjust suction level. Start from nose area because it's normally more congested. Press down and twist back up. Treat from point to point to extract blackheads and skin mites. Slide upwards to exfoliate. Keep it under 2 minutes. Then you can move on to the chin area. Dab a bit warm water with cotton pad and press gently on the treatment site if it dries up. Twist from point to point to extract debris, or you can slide along as well. You can double cleanse the groove beneath the lower lip. Also keep it under 2 minutes. Then the forehead. Forehead skin is relatively thinner, so it's advised to lower the suction level a little bit. You can just twist from point to point. Also here you can double cleanse glabella. Keep it between 1 to 2 minutes. Then switch to the pointed tip for nose wings. Gently press the nose with one hand and glide the tip down the nose. For super congested areas, you can also stroke upwards and treat for 1 to 2 minutes. Switch to big tip for cheeks. Twist from point to point on cheeks for 1 minute or so. Lower the suction level to avoid causing red or purple marks for skin lifting. Glide along the jawline towards earlobe, from mouth corner to ear gate, from nasolabial folds to cheek, then around eyes. Make sure you're super gentle to avoid discomfort and leaving marks. Then move on to the forehead, stroke towards hairline in parallel lines once. Do the same on the other side. Then detach the rubber hose from the wands. Take out the 3 glass tubes. The flat glass tube can be applied on forehead, long glass tube can be applied on nose, and curved glass tube can be applied on chin and cheeks. Firstly, install the long glass tube onto the rubber hose. Slide on nose area to enhance the effect so as to extract all gunks, whiteheads, and debris for 1 minute or so. There's one small round hole on the glass tube. Press down and fill in the hole with your finger to operate and let go of your finger to cease the operation. The curved glass tube on chin and cheeks, point straight for 1 minute or so. Use the flat glass tube on forehead, glide along the entire forehead for 1 minute or so. Turn off the device. Then gently pat toner all over the face. Dab cotton pad in purified water and wet face with it. Pick up the skin scrubber and click the button to change mode. Click once to go to consecutive mode, twice to relatively fast intermittent vibration mode, 3 times to intermittent vibration mode. Choose mode 1, aim the front side at the skin and tilt the scrubber at a 45-degree angle. Start with the jawline, slowly gliding upwards to exfoliate. But always remember, keep skin moist the entire time. You'll see water turning into mist during the process. Push upwards on the forehead. Treat the other side of the face. Select mode 2 on chin area. Push a bit harder upwards from chin to lower lip to cleanse this area. Select mode 3 for nose area. Also push a bit harder up the nose wings to extract blackheads and other gunks. When you're done, turn off the device and wipe it clean. Then wash face clean. Wet cotton pads with astringent and apply them on the face to shrink pores. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the cotton pads from your face. Take out the Hydro Spray bottle and fill in the bottle with toner or watery essence. Insert the black or red rubber hose into the outlet hole on the device and connect another end with the spray hole. Pick up the spray bottle and turn on the device. Press down on the round hole of the spray bottle and cover with index finger to spray. Move in circular motions from chin to the temple. Spray upwards in parallel lines once. Wipe off the excessive water with cotton pad. Spray in circular motions horizontally on forehead once. Spray in circles on the other side of the face. Spray up and down the nose 3 times, but here always avoid spraying into eyes and nose. Turn off the device. Apply hyaluronic acid serum evenly all over the face. Then pick up the scrubber again and click once for mode 1. Use the back side of the scrubber to help penetrate serum deep into the skin and lift skin. Glide from chin to earlobe, from mouth corner to ear gate, nose wing to temple 3 times each. Glide upwards from cheek to the temple 3 times. Then slide upwards near the corner of the eye 3 to 5 times. Slide towards hairline on forehead 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Turn off the device. Apply hydrating and restorative mask. Wait for 15 minutes. Remove the mask and wash face clean. Apply toner, then carry on with your own regular skincare routine.